100 number. Cement is said to be good if A. Its color is grey. B. One feels cool by thrusting one's hand in the cement bag. C. It is smooth when rubbed in between fingers. D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. 101. The strength of cement up to 3 months. The strength of cement up to 3 months. A. 100%. B. 80%. C. 70%. D. 60%. And the answer is A. 100%. The strength of cement is reduced by dash after 6 months. A. 20%. B. 30%. C. 40%. D. 50%. And the answer is 30%. Water absorption of cement should be more than A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. And the answer is of cement should not be more than 10%. No, 5%. Right? Water absorption of cement should not be more than 5%. The initial setting of cement is caused by the formations of initial setting हुनुको कारण के हो त A. Dicalcium silicate, B. Tricalcium silicate, C. Tricalcium aluminate, D. Tetracalcium aluminate. And the answer is tricalcium aluminate. C3A. Tricalcium aluminate. Maximum percentage of dash is available in cement. Cement मा धेरै percent के हुन्छ? Of course lime को हुन्छ. B. Lime. As per IS specifications 106, as per IS specifications, the minimum time for initial setting up ordinary Portland cement is, of course, half an hour, means 30 minutes. 107. As per IS specifications, the maximum final setting time for OPC cement is, and the answer is 10 hours. 108. The undesirable properties of cement is due to the formation of A. Dicalcium silicate, B. Tricalcium silicate, C. Tricalcium aluminate, D. Tetracalcium aluminate. And the answer is tricalcium aluminate. 109. The setting and hardening of cement after the addition of water occurs due to A. Binding action of water, B. Hydration and hydrolysis of some constituent compound of cement which act as glue, C. Evaporation of water, D. None of the above. And the answer for this is 109 ko B. Hydration and hydrolysis of some constituent compound of cement which act as a glue. 110. The types of cement is considered good if A. It contains C3S in large amount. It contains C3S in large amount. B. It contains C2S in large amount. C. It contains C3A in large amount. D. All of the above. And the answer for this is it contains C3S in large amount. The setting and hardening of cement after the addition of water occurs due to fire. The types of cement is considered good if 110 को C3S धेरै हुनु पर्यो. 111. The constituent of cement which act as a binder. Binder को काम के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि सिलिकेट भएकोले. A. Dicalcium silicate and tricalcium silicate. B. Tricalcium aluminate, tricalcium silicate and carbon. C. Silica and carbon. D. None of the above. And the answer for 111 is dicalcium silicate and tricalcium silicate. 112. A slow setting cement has high percentage of slow setting cement मा धेरै percentage के को हुन्छ भन्दा A. Tricalcium aluminate, tricalcium silicate, gypsum, C. Dicalcium silicate. And the answer for this is dicalcium silicate. 113. Normally bogus compound found in cement during burning process is A-lite, B-lite, C-lite, all of the above. And the answer for this all of the above. When water is added to cement, the cement hydrates and chemical reactions takes place, which while cement is setting, an increase in temperature occurs and a considerable quantity of heat is generated is called 114 ko B. Hydration of cement. Dormant period 2 to 5 hours is concerned with A. Hydration of cement, B. Fineness of cement, C. Soundness of cement, D. workability of cement. And the answer for this is A. Hydration of cement. 116. Flash setting of cement means A. Hydration of cement, B. Hardening of cement, C. Stiffening of cement without strength development, D. All of the above. And the answer for this is stiffening of cement without strength development. 117. The strength of RHPC for 1 day is equals to dash day of OPC. A 2 day, B 3 day, C 4 day, D 5 day. And the answer for 117 is 3 days. 118. The excess quantity of CaCl2 greater than 2% and triethylamine greater than 0.06% administered behave like A accelerator, B retarder, both D none. And the answer for this is retarder. The possibility of bleeding 119. The possibility of bleeding segregations and latents is reduced by A coloring agent, B bleeding agent, C waterproof agent, D air entering agent. And answer for this is D air entering agent. 120. Workability is tested by A slump test, B BB test, C CF test, D all of the above. And answer for this is all of the above. Pick up the air entering agent from the following. A. Animal fats. B. Natural wood resins. C. Alkalines. D. All of the above. And the answer for this is all of this act as an air entering agent. All of the above. 122. The most commonly used accelerator for concreting is calcium chloride if it is less than 2%. 123. Workability of concrete is increased due to an excess of A. Cement. B. Water. C. Round aggregate. D. All of the above. And answer for this is all of the above. 124. The amount of pozzolana in Portland pozzolanic cement is A. 20 to 30%, B. 30 to 40%, C. 40 to 50%, D. 50 to 60%. And answer for this is 20 to 30%. Which one is correct? A. PPC gain strength slowly as compared to OPC. B. Ultimate strength of PPC is higher than OPC. C. PPC has higher resistance to chemical attack. D. PPC has lower shrinkage on drying. E. All of the above. And answer for this is E. All of the above. 126. In quick setting cement, the compound added is A. Aluminum sulfate, B. Aluminum silicate, C. Calcium sulfate, D. Gypsum. And the answer for this is for quick setting aluminum sulfate. 127. In low heat cement, the constant kept to the minimum is A. Dicalcium silicate, B. Tricalcium silicate, C. Tricalcium aluminate, D. Tetracalcium aluminate. And answer for this is tricalcium aluminate. 128. The raw material having more than 10% proportions in the manufacture of cement are A. Calcium oxide and silica, B. Calcium oxide and magnesium oxide, C. Magnesium oxide and ferrous oxide, D. Silica and ferrous oxide. And the answer for this is A. Calcium oxide and silica. 129. Which constituent is the best cementing material in cement? Which constituent is the best cementing material in cement? A. Tricalcium silicate, B. Tricalcium aluminate, C. Dicalcium silicate, D. Free lime. And the answer for this is tricalcium silicate. Freshness of cement is decided on the basis of it should be free from lump of set cement. B. When cement is rubbed fingers and thumb, it should like smooth powder. C. It feels cool after inserting hand in the bag of cement. D. All of the above. The answer for this is all of the above. 131. The temperature range at which the consistency test is conducted is 25 to 29 degrees Celsius, B 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, C 20 degrees Celsius, D 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. And the answer for this is A 25 to 29 degrees Celsius. 132. The consistency test is performed to find the correct water cement ratio. 132. The consistency test is performed to find A. The correct water cement ratio, B. The fineness of cement, C. The compressive strength of cement, D. Tensile strength. And the answer for this is consistency is used to find the correct water cement ratio. 133. For normal consistency, the penetration in B cut apparatus should be in between A. 20 to 30 mm, B. 30 to 35 mm, C. 35 to 38 mm, D. Greater than 40 mm. And the answer for this is 30 to 35 mm. 134. Lead Chatterler's apparatus is used to carry out A. Consistency test, B. Soundness test, C. Compressive strength, D. Tensile strength. And the answer for this is soundness test. 135. Soundness test of cement determines A. Quality of free lime, B. Ultimate strength, C. Durability, D. Initial setting. And the answer for this is quantity of free lime. 136. In briquette test, the 7-day tensile strength of good Portland cement should not be less than 25 kg per centimeter square is the answer. 137. The 7-day compressive strength of a good Portland cement as obtained from the compressive test on cement set mortar cubes should not be less than A. 125 kg per centimeter square, B. 150, C. 175, D. 200. And the answer for this is 175 kg per centimeter square. 138. Excessive free lime and excessive magnesia present in the cement make the cement A. unsound, B. to have very low initial setting time, C. to have very light compressive strength, D. gain strength faster. And the answer for this is A. unsound. 139. The dry process of manufacturing cement has become obsolete because in comparison to wet process, A. it is slow and costly, B. the quality of cement produced by it is inferior, C. it is difficult to maintain the correct proportion of constituent, D. all of the above. And the answer for this is D. all of the above. 140. The rapid hardening cement attains early strength due to A. large proportion of lime grounded finer than in ordinary cement, B. small proportion of lime grounded finer than in ordinary cement, C. presence of excess percentage of gypsums, D. none of the above. And the answer for this is A. large proportion of lime grounded finer than in ordinary cement. 141. Portland cement manufactured from pure white chalk and clay but free from iron oxide is known as A. low heat Portland cement, B. quick setting cement, C. white cement, D. none of the above. And the answer for this is of course C. white cement. 142. Which constituent of the cement upon addition of water set and hardens fast? पानी हाल्ने बित्तिकै के तत्त्वले गर्दाखेरि सिमेन्ट चाँडै नै जम्छ? A. tricalcium silicate, B. tricalcium aluminate, C. dicalcium silicate, D. free lime. And the answer for this is B. tricalcium aluminate. 143. The quality of cement is good if it has more A. tricalcium silicate, B. tricalcium aluminate, C. dicalcium silicate, D. free lime. And the answer for this is tricalcium silicate. 144. In the sieve analysis of finest test, the residue on IS sieve number 9 after 15 minutes sieving should not be more than A. 5%, B. 7.5%, C. 10%, D. 15%. And the answer for this is 10%. Quick setting cement is used A. for the construction of structure underwater, B. to obtain very light strength, C. where resistance to acidic water is required, D. none of the above. And the answer for this is for the construction of structure underwater. 146. The initial and final setting time of ordinary Portland cement are OPC को त आधी घण्टा र 10 घण्टा हो. A. 30 minutes and 10 hours. 147. The initial and final setting time of quick setting cement is quick setting को 5 minutes and 30 minutes. C. 148. The types of cement used for patchwork of pavement is pavement को patchwork गर्नलाई कुन cement use गरिन्छ त? A. OPC, B. expansive, C. PPC, D. RSPC. And the answer for this is expansive. 149. The Pozzolana Portland cement gains the strength A. in the same time as OPC, B. in less time than OPC, C. in more time than OPC, D. difficult to tell. And the answer for this is C. in more time than OPC. 150. Compared to OPC, the ultimate strength of Pozzolana Portland cement is A. same, B. more, C. less, D. very much less. And the answer for this is B. more. 151. In low heat cement, the proportion of the following compound is kept at low value. A. tricalcium aluminate, B. tricalcium silicate, C. both, D. none. And the answer for this is both. In the chemical composition of test for loss of ignitions, in the chemical composition of test for loss on ignition, the cement is treated to a temperature of 152. The answer is 100, 200, 500, 1000 degrees Celsius. 153. Loss of ignition in cement should not exceed 14812, and the answer for this is 4%. The insoluble residue in good cement should be A. between 4 to 8, B. less than 8, C. between 8 to 10, D. less than 1.5%. And the answer for this is D. less than 1.5%. 155. The volume of one bag of cement weight 50 kg is A 0.05 metric cube, B 0.0347 metric cube, and C 0.025 metric cube, D 0.04 metric cube, and the answer for this is B 0.0347 metric cube. Slag cement 156. Slag cement contains A lime, B pozzolana, C sulfate, D silicate, and the answer for this is sulfate. Slag cement contains sulfate. 157. If P is the percentage of water required for normal consistency, water to be added for determination of initial setting time is A 0.70 P, B 0.75 P, C 0.8 P, D 0.85 P, and the answer for this is 0.85 P. 158. A badly mixed cement concrete result in A segregations, B bleeding, C honeycombing, D none of the above, and answer for this is C honeycombing. 159. Strength of cement with storage of course decreases. 160. Storage of cement should be done on of course dry platform. 161. The soil good for making brick is A clay soil, B alluvial soil, C silt, D sand and silt, and the answer for this is of course clay soil. 162. The impurity not desirable in the soil used for brick formation is A alkali, B conker, C both, D none, and the answer for this is of course both. 163. Low porosity brick has A low strength, high strength, C more absorption capacity, D all of the above, and answer for this is low porous strength boards, high strength. 164. The ingredient of the brick earth which enable the brick to retain shape is A alumina, B silica, C iron oxide, D magnesia, of course silica. 165. Percentage of silica in a good brick earth lies between A 10 to 20%, B 20 to 40%, C 50 to 60%, D none, and the answer for this is 50 to 60%. 166. The red color of the brick is due to A iron oxide, B silica, C magnesia, D alumina, and the answer for this is A iron oxide. 167. The standard size of brick as per NRS is A 20 10 10, B 224 1857, C 1899, D 1888, and the correct answer is B 224 108 in 57 cube. 168. During compressive strength, load is applied at the rate of A 10 Newton per mm square per minute, B 12, C 14, D 16, and the answer for this is 14 Newton per mm square per minute. The percentage of alumina in good brick earth lies between 20 to 30%. 170. Excess of silica in brick earth causes A loss of cohesion, B impermeable, C cracking, wrapping, D brittleness, and the answer for this is of course brittleness. 171. Excess of alumina in brick earth causes alumina really babani ke huncha ta A loss of cohesion, B impermeable, C cracking and warping on drying, D brittleness, and the answer for this is C cracking and warping on drying. 172. The main function of alumina in brick earth is A to impart plasticity, B to increase durability, C to prevent shrinkage, D to increase impermeability, and the answer for this is A to impart plasticity. 173. The process of kneading clay, water, and other ingredients to make brick is A molding, B tempering, C pogging, D blending, and the answer for this is B tempering. 174. The process of mixing sand with the powdered natural soil to improve the quality is known as blending. 175. Excess of iron oxide in brick earth cause A loss of cohesion, B decay of brick, C the color changes, D none of the above, and the answer is the color changes. 176. Lime is mixed with brick earth, A to impart plasticity, B to increase durability, C to prevent shrinkage, D to increase impermeability, and the answer for this is lime to prevent shrinkage. The maximum percentage of water absorption of first class brick in 24 hours should be limited to Percentage of water absorption of first class brick 15%. 178. The maximum percentage of water absorption of second class brick in 24 hours should be A 10, B 15, C 20, D 24, and the answer for this is C 20%. 179. The crossing strength of first class bricks should not be less than 105 kg per centimeter square. 80. The minimum compressive strength of a second class brick should be A 25, B 70, C 105, D 140. 70 kg per centimeter square is the answer. 181. The temperature at which bricks are burnt varies from A 400 to 700, B 700,000, C 1000 to 1200, D 1200 to 1500. And the answer for this is B 700 to 1000. 182. During burning of dried brick, the sequence of chemical change that take place is under a change that take place is dehydrations, oxidations, vitrifications is the answer. C. Dehydration, oxidations, vitrifications. For burning clay products such as 183, for burning clay products such as sewer pipe, the necessary chemical change is A. Dehydrations, B. Oxidations, C. Vitrifications, D. None of the above. And the answer is vitrifications. 184. For 1 cubic meter of brick masonry wall, the number of mason-made brick required is machines 530. The number of standard brick required for 1 cubic meter is 500. The red color obtained by the brick is due to the presence of iron oxide. 187. The soil used for the manufacture of bricks should preferably not contain pebbles. 188. Tiles are used for covering the roof and flooring, making the drain. Both. The amount of 189. The amount of local brick required for 1 metric cube masonry is 560, 560, C 560. 190. The internal size of molds used in brick preparation should be somehow larger than the size of fully burned brick. The normal size of modular brick is A less than actual brick, B equal to actual brick, C greater than actual brick, D none of the above. And the answer for this is the nominal size of brick modular brick is less than actual brick. If hand sand or acid is sprinkled on the inner surface of the mold, the brick are known as 192 go of course sand molded. B. 193. Pog mill is used for A. Clay preparations, B. Clay molding, C. Clay drying, D. Brick burning. And the answer for this is clay preparations. 194. Advantage of clamp burning as compared to clean burning is A. Less initial cost, B. Take less time, C. One large number of brick are required, D. None. And the answer for this is less initial cost. Advantage of clamp burning as compared to clean burning is 194, and the answer is less initial cost. 195. The overground constituent clean is continuous clean is A. Bull trench clean, B. half end clean, C. tunnel clean, D. all of the above. And the answer for 195, the overground continuous clean is half men's cleans. 196. The clean which may work regularly throughout the year is called half men's clean. And 197. The shape of half men's continuous clean is A. circular, B. rectangular, C. pentagonal, D. elliptical, and the answer is circular. 198. Fire bricks should be laid in A. lime mortar, B. fire cement mortar, C. fire clay mortar, all of the above. And answer for this is 198 ko C. fire clay mortar. 199. Fire brick are used to reflect heat, to increase heat flow, to decrease heat flow, all of the above. And answer for this is to decrease heat flow. 200. The fire clay contains pure A. lime, B. oxide of iron, C. hardened aluminum silicate, D. magnesium. And answer for this is C. hydrated aluminum silicate.